In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage events using Google Calendar. This tool is indispensable for staying organized and keeping track of your commitments, whether they're professional meetings, social gatherings, or personal reminders. So, let's dive in and explore how you can effortlessly organize your time with Google Calendar. To begin, open Google Calendar on your preferred device. It's as simple as navigating to calendar.google.com or accessing it through your Google Accounts app suite. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. At the top of the screen, you'll notice options to view your schedule in different timeframes. You can choose between daily, weekly, and monthly views, which makes it easy to see your commitments, whether they're just around the corner or further down the line. Now, let's get to the exciting part, creating an event. To do this, simply click on the specific date in your calendar on which you'd like the event to occur. A window will pop up, prompting you to start typing the event's title. This could be something like team meeting, dinner with friends, or even doctor's appointment. Whatever it is, make sure it's clear and descriptive. Once you've titled your event, it's time to customize the time. Google Calendar allows you to specify the exact start and end time, ensuring there's no confusion about when your event begins or concludes. This feature is particularly handy for keeping your day running smoothly, without overlap. Next, you'll likely want to invite others, and Google Calendar makes this exceptionally easy. You'll see an option to add guests to your event. Simply click on it, and a field will appear where you can type in the email addresses of the people you'd like to invite. This feature not only sends out invitations, but also keeps everyone on the same page regarding timing and details. Before finalizing your event, consider adjusting the guest permissions. This is a great way to manage what your guests can do within the event. You have the choice to allow them to modify event details, invite others, or even see the guest list. Tailor these settings to suit the nature of your event and the level of collaboration you're aiming for. If everything looks just right, go ahead and click Save. You'll receive a prompt asking if you want to send an invitation to your guests. Confirm by clicking Send. Once you do this, your guests will receive an email notification containing all the necessary event details, which they can easily add to their own calendars. And that's it. You've successfully created an event on Google Calendar and invited others to join. This straightforward process helps streamline communication and ensures that everyone involved is well informed and prepared. Whether you're managing work appointments or planning get-togethers, Google Calendar is a powerful ally in keeping your schedule organized and efficient. Happy planning!